Protesters who have blocked Kolkata's Park Circus 7-point crossing. Multiple Muslim organizations are staging a protest. Let's go across to my colleague Ritik Mandal joining us on the broadcast. Ritik, several protesters taking to the streets after the Friday prayers against the Waqf Amendment Bill. What are the details? What's the situation on the spot?
Yes, definitely. The days after the bill has been passed in the parliament, but we can see that the protest continues here in Kolkata, and we are currently bringing this live broadcast from Kolkata's important, Park Circus area, where huge protests erupted over here, as you can see. And as I'm taking you through that now, cops are trying to convince the protesters not to block the road. Though they have partially blocked the stretch over here, and as they attempted to block the entire juncture, somehow a huge deployment of police we can see that are being done, and they are disengaging people from blocking the entire road, causing disruption of traffic movements. And what we can see for last 15 minutes following the Jummah Namaz, a huge protest erupted over here in Park Circus area, and this protest has been organized by several organizations, and now they demand for the rollback of the Waqf bill. We can see that cops in headgears and lathis, they have been deployed. Additional forces have been summoned, and this protest is also causing disruption of traffic movement. The normalcy in the city, let me also tell you, who know Kolkata knows very well how this Park Circus area and its 7-point is considered for the easy movement and of the traffic of the city. And now what we also can see that several leaders are also addressing this gathering. A huge gathering can be seen over here, and now they demand for the rollback of this decision of this bill. We also tried to spoke to some of the organizational leaders of this Muslim organizers or the bodies, those part in this movement. They said that they have decided to challenge this bill, and they are considering to go as per legal procedures. But we can see that the protests are erupting here in Kolkata's Park Circus area, and this is consecutively 3 days we are seeing kind of protests. We would also once again try to cut across to this visual where we can see the cops are trying to convince the protesters. Once again now another group of people, they are arriving, reaching to this this point. We can see a huge protest. The momentum it's gaining each passing minutes. We can see that thousands of protesters are erupting on the streets, and very visuals, and you can see that how it is scaling up. Police is trying to disengage this people, and we can see that they are this kind of police is trying to disengage these people, trying to stop them. And each passing movement we can see multiple rallies are heading towards this Park Circus juncture, causing a huge disruption of city's normalcy. But we are given to understand that multiple organizations call this gathering for just post Jummah Namaz. Police organizations and police cops were deployed accordingly. We also can see senior cops are also there, and they are trying to convince the protester not to block the road. Barricades are being also summoned so that they can somehow manage this huge crowd. You can see that now the cops are moving towards the main juncture, as this is a huge protest seemingly that is increasing in passing minutes.
Okay, all right. So the protesters have all gathered there. We are also seeing some security deployment at this spot. We'll come back to you for those updates. For now, slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back.